MXP.
XP. Oh yeah! Oh my god, I can't wait to go back there. You got something on your head.
Uh-oh.
Dirt.
What do we got here?
This is a live virtual view of the vehicle. I didn't work. And bang. Let's start doing this after hours.
We are back here in the service drive.
What's up? I'm Ashley Dobbs and Nate, chill line, bud.
Oh. And I'm Nate Grecklick. Welcome to Mohawk Table Talk. We here at Mohawk Honda know information is key to purchasing and owning a vehicle. Our weekly Mohawk Table Talk provides you with Honda news, car gadgets, common questions, and car maintenance. Let's get into today's episode. Keeping your car well maintained and service prolongs the life of your vehicle. So today we're going to talk to Mike Healy back in the main shop to talk about alignments and why they're important for your car. We are back here in the service bay with Mike Healy, one of our master technicians, and we are talking today about alignments. Now, what is an alignment?
It's in a procedure where we put some sensors on the car, make sure everything's straight, the wheels and tires are tracking straight down the road.
What is it for? Why do I need it?
It's all about tire wear. It helps the tires last as long as they can. We spend a lot of money on these tires and cheap insurance to make sure that they wear correctly and not too soon.
How do I know when I need one?
Well, we offer a free alignment check here. We can check that pretty quick on the spot, or if you notice you have some abnormal tire wear, some edges wearing out, or mileage is too soon, you'd want to get an alignment, at least have it checked.
We got this cool little machine here, so let's see what this machine does for us. And what do we got going on?
This is a live virtual view of the alignment on the vehicle. Reading live now so we can see when adjustments are made. This is after the adjustments have been made, so everything's nice and straight right where we want them.
Cool. So what are all these things? What's the camber?
Camber is the tip of the tire from the top and the bottom, like tipped in. Caster is the direction tipping forward, and the toe is the same angle as when you steer, left and right.
Okay.
And on this vehicle, all four wheels have adjustments on them for camber and toe.
Okay, and then the thrust angle, what is that?
The center line of the vehicle.
Okay. Cool.
So.
Well, you learned about it here, what alignment is, why you need it, how it saves your tires. And we appreciate Mike's time, so we'll talk to you later. Thanks, Mike.
You got it.
All right, let's head back to Ashley. Thank you, Mike. We will definitely keep that in mind and make sure that we get those alignments in a timely manner.
And now for Ooh, that looks cool.
We know that gadgets make life easier, so the gadgets we found for your car this week are from gadgetflow.com. So, first one up I have is the garbage can. No, but seriously, great name.
Yeah, right?
It is a car
Genius.
garbage can. Super handy. It is topple proof and a slim design. It's only $15. Garbage can is the solution that you've been waiting for. It's product is environmentally friendly too, as the raw material used here is 100% recycled plastic.
Ooh, 100% recycled plastic. Let's get it.
Yeah, nice.
I have a solar-powered air conditioner,
Sweet.
and it's portable. So, this guy right there, you can bring this around anywhere. It's gonna keep you cool. On the beach, you know, if your car breaks down,
Camping.
camping, glamping.
Wait, glamping. That's what I would do. Wait, say the name of it because it's so funny.
Kulala.
Kulala. Solar
Oh,
power.
kulala. I say kulala. Kulala.
And how much is that?
It's $220.
Yeah, but you know what? That's not bad. That's what you would spend for an air conditioner for your home.
This
so,
sucker's portable.
Yeah. Cool.
Sweet.
All right. So up next, I have Bump Shocks Extra Large License Plate Protector. So this thing is really cool. Nate'll throw up a picture of what it is close up so you can see it.
Bumper.
So this goes around your license plate. It's like a license plate frame. It says this extra wide frame covers the perimeter of your plate with force field like shrink. The Bump Shocks XL is stronger and more resilient than steel. It's going to protect
rough.
people who are, maybe backing up into you. You park a little too close. It's going to hit that before it hits anything on your vehicle. And that's only $35.
$35.
Yeah, not
Save
bad.
Save your bumper for $35. I'm in. And now it's time for Honda News. So, for Honda News today, Honda builds its 25th millionth automobile in the U.S. Yay! 25 million cars are in the
crazy.
U.S. that are Hondas. So, Honda built its 25 millionth automobile in the United States, a 2018 Accord produced at the Marysville Auto Plant in Ohio. The biggest part of this is that they're celebrating the milestone with a new scholarship fund. In addition to the financial support, scholarship recipients will be invited to interview for internships and co-op positions at Honda operations. And according to the president and CEO, the scholarship highlights Honda's commitment to investing in HBCU students by creating scholarships, internships, and opportunities for co-op positions for our scholars.
Wow, that's awesome.
Nice
Good
job,
job,
Honda.
In other Honda news, jazz star Kenny G, with the... He performed for patients at the Nicholas Children's Hospital courtesy of American Honda Motor Corporation, Inc. and the Honda Classic. So, this private performance honored patients and families at Nicholas Children's Hospital as a part of the continued mission of American Honda and Classic Car Cares, the charitable arm of the Honda Classic, to give back to the children of South Florida. So, just another way that Honda is giving back to the community, like we like to do here at Mohawk Honda.
I know.
Hashtag Mohawk Honda gives back.
Word. It's time for our weekly sponsor shout out. So you know what we have to do. It's time for our weekly sponsor shout out! Our weekly sponsors are Mohawk Honda family members who have come in and got their car serviced or purchased a vehicle and wanted to leave their experience.
All right, so the first one I have today is a sales visit, and Jessica LVF writes, AJ is the man.
AJ
Jessica writes, I'm the kind of person that knows exactly what I want in life, but sometimes pulling the trigger on those wants can be the tricky part for me. AJ patiently waited for me to make up my mind for a whole year. Was never pushy, kept great contact with me, and finally, when I was comfortable and ready, he made the process seamless and easy. I would recommend Mohawk Honda and AJ's service and professionalism to anyone willing to listen. Lifelong customer that you have earned.
Sweet.
Thank you, Jessica.
Thank you so much. All right, so my title is Love Mohawk Honda by Barbie 3. From the prompt and cheerful greeting at the door to the final steps of the process, I was treated with kindness, Brian listened to what I wanted and helped to quickly pick out a car that is perfect for me. He took the time to ensure all my questions were answered, made me feel comfortable during the entire process. I definitely recommend Mohawk Honda.
Thanks,
Well,
Barbie.
thank you, Barbie. We appreciate it, and we can't wait to see you. Now it's time for What Is,
In the car biz.
and we have Justin McGrath, who is one of our pre-owned sales managers right here.
Hello, everybody.
Welcome, Justin.
Welcome, Justin.
Thank you for having me today, guys. I'm excited to be on.
Yes, we're so excited to have you today.
It's an exciting time. It's March. In like a lion, out like a lamb, right? Lots of snow today. Hope everybody's being safe out on the roads, shoveling, getting it done.
Yes.
What are common questions that people have when they come in and they want to get their car appraised to trade in?
It's funny because it's almost like a theme of questions. Number one is, what's my car worth?
Yep.
And number two is, why is it worth that? And one leads to the other. It's one, what is the condition? And the condition is a direct reflection of the car's value. So to ensure you get maximum trade-in value for your car, you want to ensure you take the best care of it possible. And you do that by addressing the things that we talked about just a minute ago, guys. Doing seasonal maintenance, keeping up on all the scheduled service, getting your car detailed before winter and coming into summer. You know, people underestimate what an actual real detail can do for a car's sheen, protecting it from, road debris. We have salt, we've got dirt, we've got all sorts of stuff from the Northeast that a lot of the country doesn't have to contend with.
Right.
So ensuring your car is well kept, both interior, exterior, and mechanically, really does transcend to the value. It makes a big difference. Like Kelly Blue Book says, only 3% of the cars in this country are in excellent condition. Those are probably in Jay Leno's garage, right, guys?
Yeah.
Hanging
the
out
top 3%
in the showroom.
in his
Exactly.
garage. That's
Yeah,
it.
Exactly.
So leading off of that, we do use Kelly Blue Book,
We
the
do.
instant cash offer tool, not only to appraise our cars, but also to purchase them. So can you talk a little bit about how your role in that aspect and, how we purchase cars here and what we're interested in?
I'd love to, actually. That's actually a great question, guys. A very underutilized tool in our industry, and it really keeps you guys involved. In order to evaluate your own car, you don't really need us anymore. The computer gives you all the tools that you need to see where you stand, one, with your condition, and two, with your value. If you go to MohawkHonda.com, there's actually a tab where you can appraise your car using the Kelly Blue Book tool. It asks for some basic information, your VIN number, the mileage, and then it's going to bring you through a series of condition-related questions. So it's going to ask you about exterior. It leads you through driver side, passenger side, hood, bumpers. And if you're honest in the evaluation in what you see and using the tool, it's going to tell you both the condition and the value before you arrive to the dealership. So it's a really good way to prepare yourself for a visit and set a realistic expectation.
Right.
So, and that's great not only for trading your car, but for selling it also, because you can actually print a certificate that is 72 hours, same as cash. So if you enter accurate information, you can actually come in, get that information verified, turn your car in, and leave with a check.
That's awesome.
So, and I know a lot of people sell their car on Craigslist, eBay.
Yeah.
Some people still call the Times Union or the Gazette and list it in the paper. It's a real
Oh,
thing.
boy.
They
Yeah.
still have that section. But
Facebook Marketplace.
exactly. Yeah, Capital District garage sale, right?
Right.
It's a real thing. My wife's on there all the time. I see the bills. It's terrible. I wish it didn't exist. But yeah, the Kelly Blue Book tool is great for trading and selling your car, and I wish more people knew about it because it's a great tool, and it's backed by dealerships, so you're not having somebody show up at your car, driving your car on your insurance, having to wait for an auto loan, waiting to get money from grandma, whatever the case is. This is backed by a very reputable source that's been in our industry for a very long time. So to have that available to our customers is a huge advantage here at Mohawk Honda.
And Justin, just quickly for the people who are in our area, what type of vehicles are we currently looking for to take in?
Right now, any Honda vehicle, 2013 or newer, we're in really big need of. So if you have a Civic, an Accord, a Fit, a CRV, an Odyssey, if you're thinking about upgrading or just selling, please come see me, come see Mike Nicholas. We would love to have a conversation about your car and either purchase it or replace it with a vehicle that works for your family at a price you can afford.
Awesome.
Sweet.
Well, I think you answered all the questions we have today.
That's all I got.
I appreciate you guys for having me. It was a lot of fun today.
Great.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Justin.
Thanks so much.
So thanks for
Thanks,
checking
everybody.
us out. Please comment below, like and subscribe. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, add us on Snapchat. Links are below in the description. And we'll see you next week for Mohawk Table Talk.
Table Talk out.
Thanks, guys.
Talk out. Send it.